With this course, is it possible to close deals around the globe for over $800 million in less than a year? Is it possible to recruit an army of salespeople around the world? Is it possible to find and convert affiliates to promote your offers? Is it possible to find dropshippers who are excited to sell your products? But most importantly, is it possible to find unlimited customers around the world? The answer is a simple yes, 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 and yes again. Not only to find them though, but to close them. My name's Jason, and my team has a combined 20 years of experience in building startups from the ground up. Over the years, we have perfected the art of solving our customers' problems. Oh yeah, that's how we prefer to think of selling. Not selling, but solving problems with our products. Listen, the system that's going to change everything for you, it exists, and it's called Project Hero. This is the exact system we used for one of our brands to recruit sales representatives in about 130 countries and close long-term contracts with big distributors and governments for $800 million US. It's also the system we use to grow a network marketing company from zero to more than 200,000 sales representatives in 22 countries. In its development stages, we also used the system over the years to grow software as service startups and develop businesses like moneybookers.com, now Scroll. Pretty much everyone knows the basics of LinkedIn, but almost no one knows that LinkedIn is an ocean of potential customers. And even if they do know that, they have no idea how to use LinkedIn to find them, and even less than an idea how to grow the relationships from there and to close the deal. We know exactly how to do all of it. Project Hero started out as an internal course that taught our global sales representatives our system. We're not here to teach you how to find a few more leads per month, like other lead generation courses. We're not here to teach you how to identify a potential customer. We're pretty sure you know how to do that. We're here to teach you how to access the unlimited potential customers that need your product, how to build a relationship with them, and how to convert them with ease. In short, we're here to teach you how to succeed wildly at what you do. This course is for anyone who wants to find the right customers and learn how to convert them and everything in between. Honestly, it's also for you if you're just hoping to become better at convincing anyone of anything. So what are you going to learn in Project Hero? Martin is the ultimate closer, and his secret formulas have helped one of his brands close $800 million in deals in less than a year. He'll teach you how to master lead generation on LinkedIn and how to become a follow-up ninja that closes every deal. In his modules, expect to have your mind blown at how huge LinkedIn really is and how easily you can get around restrictions to find more customers than you can even imagine. If you've ever thought that there's just no secret sauce way to wildly succeed at finding customers and closing deals, Martin will show you how wrong you were. There is a secret sauce recipe to sales success, and he'll be teaching it to you. An A is your guide to all things content. If you don't yet understand the incredible importance of your LinkedIn presence, she'll gently help you see it. She'll teach you how to create that feed. In her LinkedIn content marketing module, she'll teach you tips and tricks to easily create impressive text posts, image posts, video posts, and digital assets. More than that though, she'll give you the confidence you need to start creating for LinkedIn, even if you don't think of yourself as a creator. Basically, together, they're going to give you the step-by-step system to take prospects from strangers to loyal customers. They've left no stone unturned. You'll also walk away with a bunch of templates, tools, formulas, and scripts that will be yours to keep forever. And by the end of this course, you will no longer think of yourself as a salesperson. You'll know in your bones that you're a sales superhero, and you'll have the skills to back it up. Whether you're a network marketer, a real estate broker, an affiliate marketer, a sales representative, a business development manager, a drop shipper, a startup founder, or an enterprise sales executive, Project Hero is the course that's going to change everything for you. Listen, we love teaching, we love sharing, and we are so grateful to the internet community that has taught us so much. Now it's time to share our knowledge. You know what's going to make us happy? Getting messages from you that you don't even know how to handle the streams of leads and deals coming at you. We want to have the biggest community of closers on the planet so we can all learn and share from one another. Listen, the whole economy is based on satisfying needs. So be the superhero that finds a customer in need and satisfy that need. And who knows where we might end up, maybe even working together. Check out the course description for more detailed information and invest in your superhero self today. There is a future you that has access to unlimited potential customers and the tools to convert them. Let us guide you to that future. We can't wait.